Hello developers. In this video, we will learn about static class in C Sharp. So static class in C Sharp is a class that cannot be instated and is used to contain static members such as method, property and fields. मतलब कि एक static class हमारी वो class होती है जिसको हम ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो लाइक स्टैटिक क्लास डायरेक्ट नेम से ही कॉल होती है. वो आई विल शो यू दैट इन एग्जांपल. ओके. So for now, key feature of static class. It contains only static member. All member of static class must be static, and that can include method, property, field, and events. Okay. And second one is cannot be initiated, as I mentioned. So we cannot create an instance of a static class using the new keyword. So जैसे normally हम class का like करते हैं class obj equal to new class obj. So that is not possible with static class. Okay. Sealed by default. So static class will be like implicitly sealed by default, so they cannot be inherited. Okay. And no instance constructor. Static class cannot have constructor, but they can have static constructor. Okay. So how to use static class? So we need to use this static keyword with class, and same thing we need to use that static keyword with method name or field name or property, whatever we have, we need to use that static keyword. Okay. So basic benefits of static class: simplicity, global accessibility, performance, memory efficiency, thread safety. I have like mentioned 2-3 lines here, so you can like read that. Okay. Drawback. So static class have some drawback also. So like lack of flexibility, then global state issues, testing challenges, threat safety concern, encapsulation issue. Okay, that we will discuss later. So use case of static class. So like a math class with all static method, static class are useful and provide an easy way to access their members that do not need to work differently for different object. So like if we talk about like sum operation or subtraction operation, so the formula will be same. Okay. So I means like functionality change नहीं होगी उस केस में. So what we need to do, we can create this static method, and like we can call with directly from the class name, because like that addition formula या subtraction formula same रहेगा हमेशा, तो no need to override ना. So that's why. इसके अलावा लाइक ऐप कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्लास कैन हैव स्टैटिक सेटिंग्स, बिकॉज वो वैल्यू भी कभी चेंज नहीं होती हैं. तो जैसे ऐप कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हमारी होती है, कोई भी जैसे मेरी क्लाइंट आईडी टेनर आईडी हम सेव रखते हैं जेसन फाइल वगैरह में, तो उसके लिए भी हम स्टैटिक क्लास यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा डेटाबेस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फाइल्स, जिसमें लाइक हमारा डेटाबेस नेम हो, सर्वर नेम हो, पोर्ट नंबर हो या कनेक्शन स्ट्रिंग हो, तो वो वैल्यू भी कभी चेंज नहीं होती हैं, तो उनके लिए भी हम स्टैटिक क्लास यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपनी एप्लीकेशन में. ओके. And static class static member are useful because they do not require instance create for each new object. Okay, so that means they consume fewer resource, and no duplication of the same class or member is needed in memory. Okay. Okay, let me show you some example. So for demo purpose, we will create a class, static class, and then class name, let's say MathUtilities. And we will create a method public with the use of static keyword. Okay, return type will be int and method name is add, and what we are doing there, we are passing to parameter and getting a value by addition. Okay, similar way we can add one more operation, let's say subtract, and here we will subtract the value. Okay, so see, we create a static class. Okay, and we have two static method inside that. Okay, so now how we will use that? We no need to create any object like this. This will give you compile time error, and error will say cannot create an instance of a static class. Okay, so that's simple thing. We cannot create an object of static class. Okay, so how we are gonna use that method? We will directly call that method with class name. Let's see, MathUtil dot then method name. Okay, so this is the concept of static class. We did not create any object of our class. We are simply calling those method with the class name. Okay, so like this is the math formula, so no need to change anything. Okay, so that's why we can use this static class for this purpose. Okay, so just for demo purpose I will show you those this value. Let me run this program and you get the values. Okay, so just for revision, हमने क्या what we did, we created a class MathUtils with keyword static and created two different methods there with static keyword. Okay, and in main program we are calling those methods directly with the class name like this. Okay, so this is the concept of static class. Yeah, thanks. Let me know if you have any issue. Please let me know. Thank you.